subscribe. So inside. No, let me stop. I'm not Lizzo. My birthday is in like 3 days. So we're about to do a photo shoot at the house. Say our acquaintances. And I want to just feel comfortable in my own space. And I just feel comfortable doing it in the house. We're about to do what we need to do. I went to the dollar store. I went to the Goodwill. Got what I need to get. Let me show y'all what I got. So I got this white sheet from the Goodwill for $3 that I'm going to use as a background. We got the balloons on deck. And I went to the dollar store and I got a whole bunch of stuff. Of course, the dollar store got stuff for the birthday girl. So if you're going out and you want the birthday sash, go to Dollar Tree. I was gonna use these as background, but I got the white cloth. So this is all the stuff I got from the Dollar Tree as accessories. And I went to the store and got some wine, got a cupcake, and I had some candles left over from last year that I used with the number 6 for the date of my birthday. So yeah, we just gonna get all this stuff. So we got everything we need. We'll just go ahead and set up my background and make sure it looks good. And then we're gonna go ahead into makeup and hair and the outfit. It's 4:54 right now. We're hoping to get this done before midnight because I don't have a lot of pictures to shoot, but because I only have three or 4 in mind. So we're gonna get this process going, and I'll probably show y'all the outfit as well too. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, my first step is going to be setting up the camera, making sure I have my tripod, my camera settings on right, it pointed in the right direction where I want it to be, all my lights is set up, just making sure everything is the way I want it so that this photo shoot can go smoothly, making sure the light tone is correct, and my sheet is set up the right way so my background is gonna align to flow out on the floor just the way I like it. So right before we pull this all-nighter, possibly, we need to go ahead and get our caffeine in our body, okay? I got this recipe from TikTok. I had tasted a bomb coffee at Jack in the Box and I had to recreate it and found it on TikTok. So girl, go to TikTok, honey, because they be giving you the tea on the coffee, okay? Let's drink this coffee and get right to it. Okay, the third step is making sure we have our hair and makeup done, get into the beauty. I went ahead and tried to clip up this as much as possible so it don't be a long video on my hair and makeup. But the basics is, girl, I got my U-part wig, I did my regular makeup, and we're going to edit the pictures to do what we need and get right to it. So it wasn't too much, just a little. Like I said, if you want full information on details on the hair and the makeup, let me know, comment down below, and I can go ahead and get that for you. So now we have that done, let's move on to step 4. Because babe, we have a long night ahead of us and we got to get this done. Okay, outfits are laid out. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I got my inspiration right here of all the outfits and the vibes that I'm trying to accomplish. So yes, the outfits are ready to go. So now it's time to take pictures. I forgot I did need some extra props in this first set of pictures that I'm going to take. So I just went ahead and blew up some of the balloons and got some other things together just so we can get part 2 of the first set of the pictures completed. I went ahead and added my spotlight. I used a paper towel roller. I saved that for some time in the week just so I could make sure I had that. And I got that tip from somewhere on Pinterest where you needed that really nice spotlight. Use a paper towel roller and attach it to the back of your phone. And then you could be able to use it as a spotlight, and girl, it worked out perfectly. It's just making sure I got the angle and the spotlight right where I wanted it. And I'm telling you, if you have a watch, your watch is your best remote. I use my Apple Watch majority of the time as my camera to see how I look, to see where to go, if I'm in the right spotlight or not. Of course it's small, but it gave you everything you need to be able to know that you're in the right location. Because like I said, technology was acting up and the girl had to go down and use her phone back camera. God. Hair, I love hair. Baby, it's pissing me off right about now. Hair is pissing me off. I swear the devil's always trying you, honey. It was acting out of my hair, but we're gonna finish this shoot strong. The next thing I did was jazz some more up of my background. I had another part of the shoot that I want to accomplish, so I went ahead and added a few more things that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then went ahead and served baddie confidence model. Okay, like hands down, I did that. I really enjoyed this shoot, especially doing it at the house, saving my coins and doing everything on a budget. Definitely do that if you are trying to get a photo shoot but not want to spend a lot of money. Here's a couple close-ups. Y'all, and like that, it is a wrap. It's 11 o'clock right now, and we've been at this for about a few hours now. So definitely stay tuned for the birthday pictures, and don't forget to like and follow for more.
Taking trips, come back.